Having trouble sending picture messages on Verizon? You're not alone. MMS failures often stem from a few key issues like network congestion, software glitches, or even outdated device settings. Common causes include network congestion during busy times, software glitches in messaging apps, or outdated device settings that don't match Verizon's requirements. Additionally, Verizon limits MMS messages to 1.2 megabytes, so oversized files simply won't send. Make sure your pictures are under this limit. The solution? Start with the classic fix. Restart your device. It's simple, but often resolves temporary glitches. Next, double-check that your mobile data is turned on. MMS requires cellular data to work, unlike regular SMS, which uses the signal. Finally, briefly toggle airplane mode on and off. This resets your network connection and can fix connectivity issues. These quick steps resolve most common MMS problems on Verizon. Still having MMS issues? Dive into your phone's settings and verify that your APN settings are correct. The APN should be vSwinnernet and the MMSC should be hmms.vtex.com servlets/MMS. Incorrect APN settings can block server connections. Check for software updates on your phone, as updates often include fixes for MMS issues. Consider switching to RCS via Google Messages, which Verizon is actively promoting as a replacement for MMS. RCS uses data more efficiently, reducing failures. If all else fails, contact Verizon support for personalized assistance or use the My Verizon app to diagnose network issues. Verizon is planning to fully integrate MMS with RCS and has AI-driven diagnostics coming to its app, which should significantly reduce these issues in the near future.